So, hello guys, good morning to each and every one of you. Ngayon, dito ako sa house ko. So, I'm preparing for my next travel, my travel vlogs, along with my friends, my barkada. I've just woke up, guys. I'm preparing pala for, we're gonna go to a trip in Silay City in Patagya. Sa Pataga, yun yung pangalan ng kuan jud pa o swimming pool o kuan ang resort jud ay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go there. We're gonna have some good time together with my friends, my barkadas. So keep in tuning guys on my videos so that para ano yun yung para updated ka sa aking mga videos and my posts. So see ya. I'm gonna post another video.